Hey guys, it's Chef Kevin Gillespie here. Thank you so much ShopRite and Coca-Cola for letting me show you some of my favorite dishes for while you guys are watching the big game. Today we are gonna make something that is near and dear to my heart. It's gonna be a slow cooked pork carnitas that we're gonna turn into a really awesome Southwestern style rice bowl. Inside my slow cooker right here, I have a pork shoulder. So this is a boneless pork shoulder, but it's a big boy. This thing is gonna feed quite a crowd. Carnitas, traditionally speaking, are always cooked in some sort of acidic liquid. In this case, we're talking about orange juice and mango juice mixed together. So obviously with carnitas, with a piece of pork this big, we need a ton of seasoning. So let's start with our kosher salt here, a really nice big sprinkle over the top of this. And then our bowl and basket, black peppercorn. Thankfully we have a cool grinder here, so give it a nice big grind of black pepper over the top, really get this thing covered. A couple of other things that are fun for this that just add a little bit more intrigue that are traditional to carnitas are the addition of some whole garlic cloves, some cloves, not garlic cloves, but the spice cloves. We only need about 5 or 6 of these in there. And then this right here, canela or Mexican style cinnamon. This right here might be the most important piece to this. So now we're just gonna put a lid on this thing, sit back, have a Coke. We'll come back and we'll take a look at it in about 4 hours. Okay guys, as promised, we've been patient, we've waited our 4 hours or so. Let's take a look and see where this thing is at. Oh yeah, this looks fantastic to me. You know you did this thing right, by the way, when that fat that was on the top of this has completely melted down in here. I have some Spanish rice right here. This is actually our ready rice. Let's put a little bit of this into our bowl here. This is gonna be the base to our dish. We want this rice there to soak up all of that beautiful braising liquid. Now go in here and get some of this and really break it up too. You want some of everything. You want it to be ultra, ultra juicy. This right here, honestly, would be fantastic by itself, but I think we can do a little bit better. Let's spoon some of that Avo Verde salsa guacamole mix right on the top here. I want to add a little bit more contrast, some texture. I got some crunchy tortilla strips right here, some fresh cilantro. I cut a little lime wedge, squeeze a little right over the top. Some pico de gallo would be nice on that too. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna spoon just a little bit of this on there. Let's get a nice big bite here. Love this juicy pork. That flavor pairs perfectly with Coca-Cola. I mean, literally could not be a better pairing. So guys, I hope you try this at home. Juicy, slow cooked pork carnitas. Doesn't get much better than that.